I'm also proud to have actually introduced my wife to Martina, who has seen many dentists for her grinding of her teeth, all of which have actually prescribed a full mouth guard, which she's torn through in a matter of weeks, which then has the subsequent cost of replacement. The actual mouth guard that Martina prescribed was very innovative. It just parted the front two teeth, and there's no contact with the back, therefore no grinding, no headaches in the morning. The actual muscles in the face have actually reduced dramatically, and again, overall, the benefit and the quality of life that she's now experiencing because she's not having stress headaches in the morning is something that, as a husband, I'm very proud to have actually introduced Amanda to Martina.